Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a makeup tutorial using predominantly a lot of new products from Ere Perez, including some of their beautiful brushes. Ere Perez is an Australian brand, natural, cruelty-free, now eco-friendly with some beautiful refillable packaging. Their products smell amazing and I love a lot of them. So I wanted to do a tutorial predominantly using Ere Perez. I don't have foundation, mascara. There's a few things that I was missing, but I did use an eyeshadow palette from their new Chamomile Eye Palette range and some other things on my face. So I really hope you enjoy watching. I'm going to jump straight into the video now. So the eyeshadow palette I'm using today is this Chamomile eyeshadow palette in Lovely. I wanted to get this one because I don't have a lot of these kinds of colors. Most of my eyeshadow colors, as you would have seen from a lot of my previous tutorials, are neutral browns. So I wanted to get a few different colors. There's sort of some mauvey colors, like light pinky browns. There's a really like a teddy bear brown. I don't have a brown like that. Gold, and then a couple of metallic sort of colors as well. So I don't have anything like this at the moment, so I'm really excited to try it. So before I start applying the eyeshadow, I'm going in with the Ere Perez Arnica concealer. This color is a little bit too light for me at the moment, so it will make a really good... Oh, what is with me today? I keep dropping stuff. And I'm taking the Ere Perez Lip and Concealer Duo brush to apply that to my lids. Really love the Ere Perez brushes at the moment. I just think they're really versatile. They're good for concealer. And yeah, I've been using this one every day with my concealer. And I'm just taking a small amount of translucent powder just to set that concealer and make sure it doesn't crease, and it will also allow the eyeshadow to blend over my eye a lot easier as well. So to start off with, I'm going to take this middle pinky brown color here. There are no color names for each individual pan, so I'm just going to have to use my descriptive words as best as I can, which we all know is really poor at times. So this third one in this pinky brown, I'm going to run that sort of through my crease as my transition shade, and I'm taking the line slash blend brush by Ere Perez. This looks like a really good blending brush actually. It's nice and soft. I kind of feel out of my comfort zone for some reason right now because I have not done a makeup tutorial in what feels like forever, but I think it would have been maybe New Year's I did my last tutorial, and then I've sort of been doing swatches and other different stuff. So this is a nice light transition shade. The color payoff is pretty good. It is quite a light color, so it may not show up on camera as much as it is in person. This brush is so lovely. It is not grabbing on my skin at all. It's super smooth and soft. So if you have sensitive eyes, this brush would be very kind to your skin. So I'm just going to take a more tapered brush. I've got the Morphe M505. This is just a medium, smallish tapered brush. And I'm going to go in with this warm teddy bear sort of brown color just here and just warm up that crease area a little bit. I just realized I wasn't recording that whole time. So I'm going in with this fourth shade in here, and I'm using a flat shader brush. There is quite a bit of fallout when I am dipping a flat brush in. When using a blending brush, there doesn't seem to be as much unless it's just this particular color. I'm just going to pat that. It's not really much color payoff with this one. I'm finding that that rusty brown is giving me more color than these. These two in the middle are quite light. I may need to run this one over my lid. Change of plans. I'm going to take that rusty brown color and run that over my entire lid area. So I think these middle two shades here definitely need to be used as transition shades. They are very light and don't give a lot of color payoff, but they're beautiful as a transition shade or to use to blend out other colors. So I'm taking the Ere Perez blending brush that I used earlier, and I'm just going to use that to soften out the edges of all of that rusty brown color that we put through the crease. Oh, this brush is so soft. I cannot explain to you how smooth it is on the skin. It's just gliding over. I just want to deepen up the outer corner of my eye, so I'm taking this darkest color here. This does have a slight shimmer in it. It is kind of like a very deep bronze, but it almost has like a hint of gray in it. I'm doing my best to explain these colors, guys. It's not my strong point. I have this vein on the edge of my eye here, and it's so annoying because sometimes it makes it look like I haven't blended in my eyeshadow properly. I'm going to take that darkest color again and use that as a bit of an eyeliner for my waterline. That just gets rid of the gap between like your lashes and the eyeshadow. I want to use the beautiful gold in the palette for the inner corner of my eye, but to make it pop even more, I have the Ere Perez Vanilla Highlighter in Sun Halo, which I will be using on my face today as well. How gorgeous is that? And oh my God, if you guys could smell through this camera, you would die. It smells like vanilla. It's beautiful. And I'm just putting that on the inner part of my eye. Taking a small flat brush and dipping into that gold. Oh my God, I just got way too much. Oh, if you could see this gold in like face-to-face lighting, it is so intense. It's such a beautiful pigment. So I just went and quickly did my base so that I can finish my eyes. I'm going in to my lower lash line now with a flat, fluffy, small brush, and I'm going to take that rusty brown color. I'm just connecting this to the outer edge of what I've done on the top of my lid. Taking that darker shade again, and I'm going to use a flat angled brush, and I'm just going to run this on the outer edge of my lower lash line. So I've just applied some mascara, and now I'm moving on finally to bronzer and blush. I have the Ere Perez Rice Powder Blush and Bronze in Roma. I love this because it has two different colors in it. And again, you can get a refillable pan, so it's eco-friendly. I don't really know if I would call these colors blush colors. Honestly, I don't mind. I'm not really a blush person, so the fact they are both bronze sort of tones is perfect for me. And again, oh, the smell is amazing. I could just eat it. It smells so good. I have got the Blush Bronze brush by Ere Perez, and this is amazing. Honestly, I cannot go on about their brushes enough. It's the perfect size to get in and carve out your cheekbones, and the head of it's tapered, so it's perfect for blush as well. So I'm just going in and warming up my face because it's looking a little pale today for some reason. I'm kind of not feeling that amazing today. So you can see how it just snugs, it just fits so nicely under your cheekbone there. To finish off the look, I'm going back in with that gorgeous vanilla highlighter in Sun Halo. I love how big this is. You could use this on your body as well because you can just like rub your whole hand in it, just slather it all over yourself. I just love bronzer and highlighter so much. So because it does add a bit of color as well as a glow. You are better off sort of blending it in with your bronzer just on the highest point, because if you don't have any bronzer on and you put this on, it does add a little bit of color, so you can sort of see where it starts and stops. And I'm not going to apply any lip stuff today. I want to put this on the top of my lips, and I don't want anything to take away from it. And just a little bit down the bridge of my nose. So this is my finished makeup look using some of the beautiful natural products from Ere Perez. I hope that you really enjoyed watching today. I'd love to hear from you down below with your favorite products that I use from their range. I am obsessed with that Sun Halo highlighter. I think the smell is what's really got me. I just want to smell it, so I keep opening it to use it. But all in all, I just love them so much as a brand, and I love the fact that a lot of their packaging is now eco-friendly and refillable as well. So yeah, let me know what you thought. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more videos. Let me know if you want to see more tutorials again, or if you would like to see more reviews or a mixture of both. But otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.